2 bananas and 4 packages of yummy oatmeal. So let's get started. So now we're gonna smash the bananas. You can either do it with your hands, smush. This is gonna be my most favorite part, and I bet it's gonna be yours part too. So we'll smoosh, 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 smoosh. So after you get smushing the bananas, now what I want you to do is pour all the oatmeal in. Remember, 4 packages. Dip it, dip it. Mix it, but make sure to make it a really nice mixture. What I want you to do is, actually this is optional, so if you want to add it, I'm going to add some raisins to my cookie because I love raisins. Ooh, nice. And then if you want to add almonds, you can add the almonds. You to do after you're done adding the toppings, you're gonna form it into circles and put it on a plate. So now we're gonna put it in the microwave for 1 minute. Depends on your microwave. If it's not ready in 1 minute, you set it for about 2 minutes. So now the cookies are done. So now what I want you to do is take it out of the microwave and set it in the refrigerator for about 5 minutes so it can cool. So it's gonna stay in the refrigerator. So I'm gonna see you guys after 5 minutes. Peace. So now since the cookies are done, you can see it looks like this. It smells so good. So now it's time for the taste test. So now